People who are influenced by archontic beings cannot answer certain questions. If you want to know who is affected, try to ask and watch body language. People who have divine spark know the answer. I want you to ponder on one question that may reveal your true nature. It may not be that easy to answer, but think for a while. What do you feel when you are still and quiet?
I don't know. It is a stupid question.
Tell me, what do you feel when you are still and quiet?
What am I supposed to feel?
Tell me, what do you feel when you are still and quiet?
It is a joke, right? What can you feel if you're not thinking?
Tell me, what do you feel when you are still and quiet?
Oh, I feel relaxed and peaceful.
What do you feel when you sit with quiet mind in stillness?
I am